worked with in lab. We broke it in half, we broke it in half again, we kept breaking it and breaking it and breaking it or cutting it up until it got really, 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 really small. We'd eventually get to a piece that's still copper, but it's the tiniest, teeny tiniest piece of copper we can get. What do you think that piece is? It has a name in science. We've given it a name. The whole lump is the element, if it's pure. But what do we call that tiniest part? It's called an atom. We've called it an atom. Now, I will tell you, the word atom is a bad choice, because when they first got down to those things, they thought you couldn't break it anymore. You can't. We can break atoms now. We've learned to do that. But when they first kind of came up with that idea, so the word atom actually means unbreakable, or not dividable, and that's not quite true.
So they changed the definition to the basics.
Well, they just still call it an atom, but we now know you can break them up. The question is, what does an atom look like? Have you ever seen an atom?
It looks like weird.
It looks weird.
It looks like, I don't know, it looks like something off a Jimmy Neutron.
Maybe something off a Jimmy Neutron. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass out some paper.
I watched that show too.
You like Jimmy Neutron? Jimmy
Yeah.
Neutron's
I
cool.
would watch that. Like,
It was a Nickelodeon, but now it's gone.
Oh no, Jimmy Neutron is gone? Mr. Ehlers, did you know that?
shut up. At least
Jimmy
Pop
Neutron.
ones.
He went home to be with Papa Proton.
Every cutscene used to show an atom. You know that?
Every what?
Every cutscene when they were like, I don't know,
So,
they were going to a different.
And has a good little face.
here we go.
Yeah, that's like,
And with the big huge.
Oh, Mr. Ehlers, would you like one?
I'm good.
You're good.
Thank you.
I watch it. I sit there and watch
Okay.
it. I don't get to hold it.
Hey, you're going to take your paper. Everybody gets a piece of paper.
Got it.
Okay, got it, get it, got it. You're going to fold it in half this way.
Hot dog boy?
Hamburger way. Burrito way. Enchilada way. I don't know. And then fold it in half the other way. You're making quarters. Not like quarters you can put in the pop machine.
Now.
Making fourths. Okay, fourths.
I get it. You get this whole thing is a dollar.
And then you're gonna unfold it, and you now have 4 rectangles, 4 panes, whatever you want to call them.
Someone's retarded enough?
No, the artist on SpongeBob is in the middle of the sea with a broken pencil.
The artist is where?
Did you see the SpongeBob? It's so messed up when you come down to it. Should be an adult swim.
Okay. It should appear up there in a moment. We're beeping on it. All right. Here's what we're going to do. In the upper left box, right up here. So, you've got your copper. You've broken it, you've cut it, whatever into tinier and tinier and tinier and tinier and tinier and tinier and really small pieces. And finally you're down to this thing that we're going to call an atom. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to draw your picture of an atom. What do you
on the internet?
No, do not look on the internet, please. Just draw what you think it looks like. Do you think it's a little square box? Is it a round sphere? Is it lumpy? Is it, I don't care. This is just your guess. I haven't taught you anything about atoms. This is your guess of what an atom looks like. Let's give it a shot.
Air atom or of atom?
Of an atom. Draw me a picture of, an
Grammar Nazi, this is science.
atom, yeah. That's why she's
Good night.
in on the theme. thought she told you not to come back.
Yeah, she didn't, but.
You just did it and I said, in your face, I'm back.
No, I walked in there and she's like, "You're in my class still?" She's like, and I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Such that's it."
That's what, no joke, that's what Runcie said about me too. You know Runcie, don't you?
She told me if I pass this year or whatever, I might end up being in next year.
Oh, good.
Not working there.
Take your best.
I just put a dot.
I'm gonna put a dot.
You know, hey folks, there are no right and wrong answers here.
Danny is not
Okay.
on.
And you gotta have another one too, like the little thing of your neutron, you know?
Oh, see, she's got all this prior knowledge, she wants to Jimmy Neutron. It's like,
You're not too old.
how do I teach my science class? Through Jimmy Neutron.
Okay.
Yeah.
And his dog was a robot.
This dog was a robot, I forgot.
Ooh, good.
Right on color.
I didn't.
We have an Adam, you got one?
We have one over here.
That's kinda cool.
Shut up. What, I wanna make yours mine better.
Ooh, that's kinda cool.
Ooh, I don't know.
Goldfish.
Oh.
Submarine.
Why does it look like a submarine?
To me it does.
That's right, I like that.
You should be, huh?
Dude.
What are you doing over here?
And yellow chicken.
Oh, look at that, we've got the Jimmy Neutron Adam.
Do you know Stern?
Dude, look, his name's just a J, maybe he's.
I am stern.
No, do you know Mr.
I'm very stern.
Don't get serious with me.
You're trying not to laugh. I'm trying not to
I am
laugh.
not
I end up
laughing.
spitting everywhere.
You are laughing.
No.
When you see a
Dude,
kid,
your
Remember-
mustache doesn't cover
remember,
that fake
You
smile.
owe time because you were late.
I know. How much?
You owe me a minute, he owes me
Dude, how
5
come your
minutes
foot
after
always
school.
ends up underneath my desk?
It's lovely.
Yeah,
Issues.
I'm not gonna show up though. I always do.
Okay, thank
Should I
you.
send you a reminder email?
Bun bun?
Wait, but-
Don't
Your
send
bum
me
bun?
your-
Come on, picture.
Picture.
Something from your
I'm
brain.
an Autumn.
Got a picture? Come on, dude.
A
We can't use headphones.
drop.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh. There are parts of Adam.
Stop.
Does she really care like that she just gets her phone?
Mom was made up of that.
I'm thinking. I don't need nobody to.
Wrong way. Come on, real quick, you gotta have an Adam picture.
Pictures of him kissing us.
They were good back here.
No
I
right and wrong.
think we have Adams back here, so.
Okay, yeah, well, we have,
Someone who's, okay, a little bit slower there, okay. Still waking?
we have some people that didn't watch enough Jimmy Neutron, so they're kind of stuck.
Well, or Big Bang Theory.
Or Big Bang, yeah.
The intro to that show?
Huh?
The intro to that show.
Is there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
every episode?
yes.
Not really. I never watched a lot of it, and I really should.
Yeah, it's hilarious.
I did.
Is it on Netflix?
God, no, it's hard to get that show. You can buy the episodes.
Big Bang?
No.
It's like season.
Seasons of it, he says it's on.
I'll check. I have doubts.
Okay, you done? You done? You done?
Yeah.
Done?
Hey,
All right.
Loris, I got a question.
What?
Do you think I would last in ROTC?
The what?
Do you think I would last in ROTC?
No. No.
Sure you would.
I think you could.
Dude, you
He gives me some hope.
You could.
Sure.
No, I couldn't.
You know what?
I wouldn't
It would be
last in
good for you.
ROTC. So.
Why?
I just wouldn't.
I built
Okay.
character.
Well, anyway. Okay, everybody, I think, Danny, you got one drawn? Oh, he's, wow. Oh, okay, yeah, he's there. Okay, so everybody has drawn your picture of an atom, right? Okay, now, over here on the wall, we have the Atom Museum. These are,
And just like,
no, shh. These are lots of different pictures of atoms. Okay. Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take lots of time. If you know, you may need to get up close to them and look at them kind of close because there's a lot of detail in some of them that you can't see from over here. And what I want you to do now is, so you've got your picture of an atom here in the first one.
People, dude?
Huh? No, he's taking pictures of those.
Oh.
Okay, so,
Get my bright side.
listen. Awesome.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so in this box and this box, here and here, pick one of the pictures up there that is really, really different from what you drew. And, you know, like, let's suppose number 9 is really different from what I drew. I'm gonna write number 9 in that box. And then I'm either going to draw the picture that is different, or I'm going to write a phrase, something about how it is different from my original picture. Down in this box down here, this one. I'm gonna pick another picture from up there that is really different from what I drew. Maybe number 6 is really different from what I drew. So I'd write number 6. I'd either draw or write about how it's different. So right now, take some time, look at those. There's a lot of interesting stuff up there. Some of it's pretty amazing looking. Number 4 has a lot of detail in it that you really can't see from over here. And so you may want to get up close and look at that. Number 11 has some words on it, things like that. So take some time, pick 2 pictures that are really, really different. Tell us either how they're different or draw them. That's your next step in these 2 boxes, okay? Go for it. You may have to get up close and look, Virginal. So obviously, like you guys, you're not gonna pick number 1, because number 1 is really similar to what you drew, right?
Jimmy Neutron.
Yeah.
Number 1 is kind of the Jimmy Neutron.
Feel free to walk up there. Look at Mr. Ehlers. He's taking photos.
No, he's recording. He's a good